Tonight we're staying at the Hilton Garden Inn on 52nd Street in Midtown Manhattan. It's at the intersection of 52nd and 3rd Avenue. The hotel is less than a block away from a subway stop for the A, C, and E trains, so it's very convenient to public transportation. We've stayed in a couple of Hilton Garden Inns in Midtown Manhattan. This is the first time we've stayed here. I think the room is maybe a little smaller than some of the other ones we've stayed at, but it does have a refrigerator, a microwave, and a coffee maker here. There's also an ironing board and an in-room safe in here. We're on the 27th floor. Seems to be pretty quiet. We're mid-block, so not too much noise from the avenues. Bathroom's also pretty small.